Welcome to Nano ELearn and back to Data Science for Beginners video series. In today's video, I am going to cover about various key applications of data science. Let's get started. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that involves extraction of knowledge and insights from the data using scientific methods, algorithms, processes, and systems. Data science has a wide range of applications across various industries and domains. Here are some of the key applications of data science. The first application is business analytics. Data science is extensively used in business analytics to analyze customer behavior, market trends, and operational data. It helps companies make data-driven decisions, optimize the processes, and improve overall efficiency and profitability. The next application is predictive analysis. Data science enables the development of predictive models that can forecast future trends, customer preferences, and potential outcomes. This is valuable for businesses in areas such as sales, forecasting, inventory management, and demand prediction. The next application is machine learning. Data science plays a vital role in machine learning, which involves creating algorithms that enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without explicit programming. Applications include recommendation systems, image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. And the next application is fraud detection. Data science is used in financial institutions and e-commerce platforms to detect fraudulent activities by analyzing transaction patterns and user behavior. The next application is healthcare. Data science is transforming healthcare through applications like medical image analysis, patient risk prediction, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. It helps improve diagnosis, treatment outcomes, and patient care. The next application is natural language processing. NLP is a subfield of data science that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Applications include chatbots, sentiment analysis, and language translation. The next application is Internet of Things, referred as IoT. Data science plays a crucial role in analyzing the data generated by IoT devices to monitor and optimize the performance, predict maintenance issues, and improve overall efficiency. The next application is social media analysis. Data science is used to analyze social media data to gain insights into consumer preferences, brand sentiment, and emerging trends. This information helps businesses tailor their marketing strategies and improve customer engagement. The next application is supply chain optimization. Data science is applied to optimize supply chain operations, including inventory management, logistics, and demand forecasting to reduce costs and improve delivery efficiency. The next application is environmental monitoring. Data science is used in environmental science to analyze and interpret data from various sources such as satellites, sensors, and climate models to understand environmental changes, track pollution, and predict natural disasters. The next application is sports analytics. Data science has become crucial in sports for performance analysis, injury prediction, player scouting, and game strategy optimization. The next application is transportation and logistics. Data science helps improve transportation systems by analyzing traffic patterns, predicting travel times, optimizing the routes, and enhancing public transportation services. All these are just a few examples of countless applications of data science. As the field continues to advance, it is likely to find even more diverse and impactful uses across various industries and disciplines. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.